To get started, open the Logic Analyzer window. Let's first set up the SPI decoder. Select Analyze, Add Decoder, SPI. There are 4 available channels to select: the clock, data out, data in, and select. I won't be using the last 2. I know my clock is on channel 1 and my data is on channel 2. Here, select the packet size. Mine is 8 bits long. Press OK. Now let's capture the transaction. I will be capturing the first 1,000 samples. There are 2 capture modes available. Continuous receives signals non-stop, and single mode receives signals up to a certain amount. Press Capture. To zoom in, click and drag across an area, or scroll using the mouse wheel. You can expand the window to see more of the signal. Let's zoom in on one of the bytes. The decoder appears to be confused. The decoder stops in the middle of a transaction. To fix this, hover the cursor over an area right before the transaction and right-click. Select Set Mark, Begin Analysis. Now select Analyze, refresh Decode. The transaction is now decoded correctly.